What's up, Internet Marketers? Zach Paz from InternetMarketingGym.com, and it's still Christmas in my house. As you can see, that's Mr. Hankey just hanging out. Yes, I like to put him up there because he's very Christmassy. Well, what's this video about? This video is about teaching you exactly how to simply create a high converting squeeze page, and I'm also going to give you I'm going to give away some free templates. So check out this video and make sure you follow all my advice. Okay, before I show you how to create a high converting squeeze page, first I want to share with you some free templates that you can use that will cost you no money and get you up and running in no time. These are 30 different kinds of landing pages in 10 different niches. I don't know what to do with my hands. And these different landing pages include 10 different squeeze pages. The truth is you can turn these squeeze pages into whatever niche you're trying to market to. But yeah, that's what you can find on my site, internetmarketinggym.com. 30 free squeeze pages. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to open up one of these squeeze pages. First thing you want to do is open up NVU. Like always, NVU is a free piece of software that you can use. It's open source. It allows you to edit easily, quickly and easily HTML code. Don't worry, I'm not a HTML editor, code expert or anything like that. I just use it. It's super simple. Let me show you how it's done. You click open, and you go into the file where your squeeze page is located. You click the index.html, and all you gotta do is type. That's it. Type, and it does it for you. Okay. So first thing you see here, there are three lines: the red line, the dark bolded line, and the smaller text here. Okay. On the first line up here, you want to write down what it is. Nice, clear, and simple. 100% free, downloadable cheat sheet. Okay, that's it. And then second line here, you want to write down what it does. Okay. Learn the benefit to the user. Learn the 10 best methods to turn eBay traffic into buyers. Okay, so maybe my target audience here is people who want to sell on eBay. Okay, and then on the third line here, you want to remove doubt. Never again create a listing. Never create a listing. Never again create a listing that won't draw. Never again create a listing. Sorry. Never again create a listing that won't draw air traffic. Okay. Now I want you to notice some things here. I'm speaking the language of my niche audience, right? Okay. Best methods to turn eBay traffic. So eBay traffic, right? People on eBay understand that people search on eBay for different products. So that's called eBay traffic into buyers, okay? Okay, people on eBay who list things on eBay, they want buyer traffic, okay? And then in the remove benefit line, remove doubt line, I say listing. This is terminology that people in this niche understand. Your product listing, right? So once I do that, I save, and that's it. This is something I would test. Okay, you want to test, of course, your different squeeze pages. You want to make sure you hit those 3 points. You want to make sure you clearly state what it is. Okay, 100% free, downloadable cheat sheet. Something I like to use something small and digestible like a cheat sheet, or something that automates something such as a piece of software. A software is a little bit more advanced, but I want you to focus on something nice and simple. A good lead magnet is a cheat sheet, okay, not an ebook. Okay, ebooks are too big. People don't want to read an entire ebook. They want a nice condensed piece of content that they can use right away and get good results from. So that's the first line, right? Second line, I clearly define the benefit to the end user, and on the third line, I talk about I remove doubt from their heads. Okay, never again create a listing that won't draw in buyer traffic. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Please visit me at Internet Marketing Gym. I am Mike Paz.
Ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando.